Greetings everyone, this is Manisha. I welcome you all in this series of Practicals of Programming Language C. In this series, we are going to learn the programming step by step. I will also explain you how to create a logic to solve a problem and how to apply that logic to create the program. Right? Now today's program that we are going to learn is adding two integer variables. Now how to make a program, and before making this program, what is the rough work we need to do to solve the problem? First of all, we need to see the problem carefully. What we need to do is adding two integer values, right? Now what concepts are we going to use is the variables, data types, operators, and some predefined functions we are going to use to make this program. What are variables? Variables, as you must have learned in algebra, that variables are such entities that can change its value, right? Now, when we talk about programming languages, a variable is the memory space where the value of this variable is going to be kept, right? Now, in this particular question or in this particular program, we will need three variables, two to keep the initial values and one to keep the result. So that is how three variables will be required, right? Now what kind of data type you need? As question says, adding two integer values. So we will need integer type of variables, and this is the conversion string for the integer which we are going to use for our program, right? Now operators. What kind of operators are required? Addition operator and assignment operator will be required for this. Now, for having more information on these two topics, I have already created some videos which you can click on the I button and visit my channel and watch these videos. You will have more clarification what kind of data types are there and what kind of operators are available in C. What predefined functions will be required? We'll use clear screen, printf, scanf, and getch. Clear screen task is to clear the screen, the user screen. Printf function is to send the messages on the user screen. So printf function first will be used to ask to enter two numbers, and then it will be used to display the result. Right? Scanf, the task of scanf function is to get the information from the user screen. That means like we need two integer variables, so we'll be asking our user to enter two numbers. Those two numbers will be scanned by this scanf function, right? And then getch, after displaying the result, we'll use getch function to halt our screen so that we can see the output, right? Now let's see what further we need to do. This is how we need to create the logic. Logic means what is the sequence of the program that will run. For any normal program or any complex program, these three steps will be done, right? In a program, you will be taking some data and then processing and then displaying the result of that data. So same things will be done here also. This is our problem is adding two integer values. So we'll be taking input. That means that input will be taken with the help of scanf. Two integer values will be taken. Right? Now processing. For processing, we need to add them and assign it in third variable. So addition and assignment operator will be used, and then output. The result will be displayed. That result will be displayed with the help of printf function. Now it's not that exactly same we'll be writing in the program. This is a normal sequence of the events that should happen. Now how to use it in this logic in the program? Let's see that on the compiler. Let's have a look at this program. This program is to input two integer values and show the addition of those values, right? As discussed over the board, we have taken two header files here. Now if you are not aware of what are header files, please visit my channel and check my previous video. I have explained this topic in detail in that video. Header files are nothing but it contains the predefined functions. Now what are predefined functions? Like we have used clear screen, printf, scanf. These are predefined functions, right? Now we have started with main function. Main function is the starting point for any C program. Okay. In main function we have used int a comma b comma c. Okay. Now int is the keyword to declare integer variables. A comma is a separator. That means a is one variable, b is another variable, and c is another variable. If these commas are deleted, suppose we have not given these commas here, that means there is only one variable with the name a, b and with the name abc, right? But with the commas, comma is a separator, right? So it separates a, b and c to make three different variables. Okay, so commas are very important here. And then this semicolon is called terminator here, to terminate one line of code. Okay, next is clear screen, to clear the screen, the output screen. Next we have used printf function. Printf function is to display this message on the user screen, so that user is aware of that he needs to enter two integer values. Scanf is to scan the numbers from the user screen. Now in the scanf we have used %d. %d is conversion string for integer type variables, right? Now we have used %d two times because we wanted to have two integers, right? So, and a means whatever value have been entered in the first instance, that value should be assigned to a, and b means the second value should be assigned to b, right? Now this is our first part of the program, that is input the data. Okay, next is c is equal to a plus b. We have used assignment operator and addition operator, right? Now assignment operator have associativity right to left, so right part will execute first. For more clarification on this topic, please look at my previous videos. You will have better clarification of this concept, right? Now after adding these two numbers, the result will be stored in C, and this is the third part of the program, that is to display the result, the output, right? Here also we have used %d. %d is conversion string for integer type variables, and here we are displaying C's value, right? Let's run this program and see the output, how it is working. Enter two integer values. So suppose 20 and 50 have been entered. So 20 will be assigned to A and 50 will be assigned to B. And in C, result will be calculated, and that have been displayed here. Addition is equal to 70. I'm sure you have understood this concept. For my more videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be safe, be happy, take care of yourself. Thank you.